What is a will? A will is like a roadmap that explains who gets what after you die and who gets to be in charge of making your wishes happen. It also allows you to change the default settings of the state law about who's supposed to inherit your property and who gets to be in charge after you pass away. The person you name to be in charge of carrying out your wishes is called the personal representative or the executor. The people that you name in your will who will inherit from you are called your heirs or your beneficiaries. It's important for you to understand that a will only applies to assets that were owned solely in the name of the person that died. A will doesn't apply to assets where there's a surviving joint owner or an asset that you've decided to give to someone through a beneficiary form. For example, on retirement accounts and life insurance, if you name your husband or your wife and then your kids, that asset will be paid directly to the living beneficiary that is on your form, so that your will doesn't cover that type of property like life insurance or retirement accounts. So it's important that your will is in sync with the rest of your wishes to make sure that nothing is working against each other. A will is not a magical document that lets you skip probate or automatically transfers your assets after you die. Many people don't realize that. A will is actually activated after you pass away and it gets filed with the probate court. Your will is actually your admission ticket to probate. Once your probate case is opened, the court looks at the will and they approve it and they assign a personal representative who's in charge of gathering your assets, getting information about your estate, and paying your creditors. There are some assets that are protected from your creditors, like your homestead. Once the probate process is over, the probate judge signs an order closing out your case and allowing your personal representative to give what's left to your beneficiaries. So to summarize what I said, a will is only activated after you die, and a will says who gets what after you die and who gets to be in charge of carrying out your wishes. That is how a will works.